Remember when gaming laptops were bulky, loud, and anything but portable? Those days are gone. Today's gaming laptops are not just for gaming. They're sleek, lightweight, and versatile enough to be your go-to device for work, study, and entertainment. If versatility packaged with power excites you, let's dive into why a modern gaming laptop can be your only laptop. Gaming laptops have undergone a significant transformation over the past decade. From bulky, portable desktops to streamlined powerhouses, these devices have evolved to meet the demands of both gamers and professionals alike. Today's gaming laptops strike a perfect balance between performance and portability. They no longer scream gaming with their aesthetics, making them suitable for a variety of settings, from boardrooms to coffee shops. This evolution has broadened their appeal, making them a viable choice for anyone looking for a single, all-purpose laptop. The design of gaming laptops has shifted towards minimalism and subtlety. Gone are the days of flashy, aggressive designs that were meant to signal a gamer's presence from a mile away. Modern gaming laptops often feature clean lines and a professional appearance, making them indistinguishable from high-end business laptops at first glance. This shift not only enhances their appeal, but also allows users to feel comfortable using them in professional and public environments without attracting undue attention. The core appeal of gaming laptops lies in their exceptional hardware. Equipped with the latest GPUs, powerful CPUs, and speedy SSDs, these laptops are designed to handle intensive gaming sessions and demanding professional software with ease. For instance, the HP Omen Transcend 14 packs a Nvidia GeForce 4060 graphics card and an Intel Core Ultra 7 CPU, specs that rival desktops in performance. This hardware not only supports gaming but also ensures that professional tasks such as video editing, 3D modeling, and large-scale data processing are performed efficiently. One of the most significant advancements in gaming laptops is their reduced weight. Today's models, like the 14-inch HP Omen, weigh just 3.6 pounds, a stark contrast to the heavy behemoths of the past. This lightweight design is crucial for those who need a laptop that can be easily transported between home, office, and cafes, providing the ultimate in mobility without sacrificing performance. Comparing this to even lighter laptops like the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon shows that gaming laptops maintain a competitive edge in portability. Improved battery technology has significantly enhanced the usability of gaming laptops. Modern models offer long battery life, allowing users to work or play for extended periods without seeking a power outlet. For example, many new gaming laptops provide whole-day battery life under typical usage, a feat that was unimaginable in earlier models. This advancement has made them incredibly practical not only for gamers but also for professionals who need a reliable laptop that can last through long meetings or classes. Gaming laptops are now more accessible than ever, with options available across various price points. You can get a solid gaming laptop for around $1,000, which is competitive with many ultrabooks. This price accessibility opens up gaming laptops to a broader audience, ensuring that more people can enjoy the benefits of their powerful specs and versatile design without breaking the bank. The value proposition is clear. Gaming laptops offer high performance and versatility at a price point that is becoming increasingly attractive. Today's gaming laptops are not confined to gaming alone. They are versatile tools capable of handling a range of tasks. Many professionals now choose gaming laptops for their work, appreciating the high performance and reliability they offer. Testimonials from users who leverage these laptops in various professional settings underscore their adaptability and efficiency, proving that these devices can seamlessly transition from gaming to professional applications. The future of gaming laptops looks bright, with ongoing advancements in technology expected to further enhance their performance, portability, and battery life. Emerging technologies like AI-driven performance optimization and even more efficient cooling systems will continue to push the boundaries of what gaming laptops can achieve. As these technologies evolve, gaming laptops are set to become even more integral to both the gaming and professional landscapes, redefining what we expect from our portable devices.